Want to learn generative AI but don't know where to start? Here's the exact roadmap I would follow in 2026. This 3-step roadmap cuts through the complexity and gives you a practical, action focused path to building real skills. No kind of PhD required, just determination and the right learning strategy. Step 1 is to building the foundations. Firstly, learn Python. You don't need advanced mathematics, just linear algebra, probability, and some basic logical thinking. Focus on the topics like variables, loops, functions, lists, and dictionaries. If you can manipulate data in Python, you're ready for AI. Step 2 is to understand LLMs and prompting. Understand how large language models work. You don't need to train the models from scratch. Focus on using existing powerful models through APIs and interfaces. Just understand what is a transformer, what is prompting, and what fine tuning is. Step 3. This is where most people fail. They keep watching tutorials instead of building. You can even build a simple AI chatbot, a resume analyzer, or even a PDF question answer tool. Small projects teach faster than theory. You can practice with tools such as ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. Here are some essential resources that I have attached which would help you in following this roadmap. Generative AI isn't about memorizing models, it's about building with them. Stop planning, start building. The generative AI revolution is happening right now, and you are ready to be a part of it. If you follow this roadmap, you'll already be ahead of most of the beginners. Subscribe Raj Explains AI for more such videos on AI and Python.